Heck yeah. You want to give me a little rundown for the video, what all's in here?
4 level 5s and 4 5Ks, DC 5Ks.
What are you wired to?
Half.
Half on. 4th order?
Yeah, 4.
You know,
2 to 1.
That's a big baffle. I like the way you did that. That's pretty cool.
Kind of had to.
You had to? Oh,
they wouldn't fit inside the box. So.
Wow. What's it tuned to?
The upper's like 55 and the lower's like 28.
What's it meter?
That does like 63.
Like 63s, that's pretty brutal. Awesome. What's your name?
Anthony
Stevens. Okay. I think I've seen you before on Facebook.
Probably.
Some of the pictures you had on there. How you doing, sir? That's all right. Hey, I forgot to ask also your electrical.
2 Mechman 370s and a shit ton of batteries and caps.
Okay, in the back. I'm gonna go check it out. Appreciate it. What vehicle?
2000 Trailblazer.
It's low too. I like it.
It's got air ride.
Holy crap. That's a lot of cap. You want to hear it? That one's pretty rough. Yeah. Hey, can I see your amps? Are they on the sides already open? On the other side too? Oh, wow. So all your battery banks in the back. Okay. I just like to see everything for the video. This is a 25.4 or should fit? Yeah, 25.
That's a 175.
175. All right.
And there's a 90.4 there.
Got it. Appreciate it. Woo. There it is. Okay. I didn't see these.
Man's better like this. Oh yeah, I'm killing this shit. How many times you been killing this shit? Find another rock, goddamn nigga shit. Like with a semi-automatic, who'da had it any ready for anybody? Ain't no way in hell we leaving nobody alive. We must suicide, no. Let's see killing us. I'm coming for your man and this lady, you need me. Call this shit genocide. Hit them with that dope. They crucified. We call this shit genocide. I got bitches, I got hoes, I got red designer clothes. No, I got those.
He wants to hear it. Appreciate the demo, man. Let him hear it.
Don't hurry, man. I want to talk to everybody.
Oh, you're good, man. Hey, I forgot to ask, what's your door speakers?
DS18s.
DS18s?
Yeah.
Okay. I like it. Door pods. It's not shut all the way. Nice to meet you, man. Appreciate it. What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.